pituitary glands, and the anterior pituitary gland will actually stimulate, or will actually release another hormone called adrenal. The adenocorticotropin hormone will then into circulation. Actually follow this, and going into circulation, they get adrenal gland. And specifically, this adrenal gland that is being targeted is the adrenal cortex. Now, when ACTH, this hormone, the adenocorticotropin hormone, we actually briefly call it ACTH, in case I lose you there. So what happens is the ACTH that has gone to the adenocortex will actually tell this adenocortex to produce hormones in each layer, and there are 3 layers, as I said. So in the first layer, zona glomerulosa, and you need to understand, as I explained before, I said there are 3 layers on the adrenal cortex, and the first layer is the zona glomerulosa, and it produces mineralocorticoids, and an example I gave, aldosterone. And the second one is the zona fasciculata, and it produces cortisol, and the third one, the zona reticularis, and it produces androgens. Now let us look closer at what each of these hormones does. What does it do? So on the zona glomerulosa, the aldosterone, when this ACTH reaches the zona glomerulosa, it will tell the zona glomerulosa to actually produce a hormone called aldosterone. This guy will actually enter circulation and will target the kidneys. And on the kidneys, it will tell, specifically on the kidneys, on the nephron, we have the collecting duct. Collecting ducts are located inside the kidneys. We have the nephrons, and on the end of the nephron, that is where these collecting ducts are. So when aldosterone comes and it targets this guy, what it does is it will start acting, telling this collecting gut to make more aquaporins. Aquaporins are water channels. That's the other name, water channels. So these aquaporins, their function, they actually reabsorb water from the nephron and take it back into circulation. So what happens is when the zona glomerulosa gets in contact with ACTH, it will release aldosterone. Aldosterone will enter circulation, and from circulation it will go in the kidneys, and from inside the kidneys are the collecting ducts. These collecting ducts are made up of aquaporins. So when this aldosterone comes and targets this, it will increase the number of aquaporins, meaning